okujwara ko murundo gwa 30 kwa ebembera John Muyingo olu state minister w'ebibashomire Agahiguru kandi emikoro yakorerwa kitebe kikure cy'itendekereri omuri Kihumuro.
You celebrate the potential you hold within you. I stand before you not just as a Minister of Education and Sports, but as somebody who sees in you the architects of our future.
Abeegi 15 nibo bamara emishomo etari emwe n'emwe.
Remember, your education is not a finite journey. It's a lifelong pursuit, spiced by the spirit of patriotism to make Uganda a better place for those yet to come.
Twaganiraho na bamwe Abeegi abamarira emishomo yabo kandi ebi nibyo batugambira.
Has greatly improved my understanding of our information system. How it's supposed to be secured and how we should help institutions.
Nti oluvanyuma lw'okutwala ekiseera ekinene nga sifunye degree yange njirese era njiwangudde nga tenjiwangulira mu university ey'abamagezi ey'abakalimagezi Mbarara University of Science and Technology.
Namwe ninenyebaza buli omu akwatirireho abaziire n'abandi boona abatushomiise na must Mbarara University of Science and Technology etubeereyo munonga.
Life ya campus ebiire tanguhiko katugereze kutwakiheza emyaka 3 ngihereze.
Omukoro gugweko Sheldon Mwesigwa Bishop wa Nkora Diocese, Minister w'ekikura ky'abantu n'ebyobuhangwa Peace Mutuzo hamwe n'abandi bingi. Omugandi President Yoweri Museveni nayenda amatendekero Agahiguru okutamana mu kuchondoza okukiriza ebyentunguko mu ihanga. Ebi biri mu butumwa bwa President ebishomero omujwekero wawe Major Jessica Arupo aha mukoro gw'okujweka abamazire emishomo yabo hari Mountain of the Moon University omuri Fort Portal.
Prioritize the promotion of research and innovation. This is because Uganda's development aspirations require active engagement of scientific and technological research to make an effective contribution to the country's growth.
Kujara kwa Abeegi kutakatandikira mu butongore habanize kubaho kujeka chancellor w'itendekereri Professor Edward Rugumayo bwanyuma y'emyaka 2 government emazire kutwara university.
The role of the chancellor is one of great importance, serving as a symbol of leadership, wisdom and commitment to the ideals and values that define the university education agenda.
It may not be an easy walk in the face of many challenges, in the face of many uncertainties, but keep walking and focus on your mission in life.
Professor Edward Rugumayo chancellor w'itendekero atenderize mukuru w'ihanga habwo kumutora nanka chancellor.
We should therefore collectively aim at working professionally, ethically, in order to transform the minds of our university.
Intekereza niza kukozesa amagezi n'ubuvugo bw'umfunire okureba ngo twahindura ebyanga byitu kandi twongera no kubitungura.
And remember, we are the COVID students who started during the COVID times. We thank everybody, we thank our parents, we thank the beneficiaries.
Abeegi abarukwingana rukagana na 2 nibo bajwara obwo abishiki abarukwingana 5 kandi abashija abarukwingana 3 na mushanju. Abwa TV Western Adolf Ireka na Jonan Tsingwire.